Alright, YouTube. Pocket dump. Maglite, little mini Maglite. Various keys. Can opener. Weatherman stylus. I really like that one. Some cordage. Extra rings. Receipt from Wally World. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 US dollars. Maxpedition smallest wallet, I forget what it's called. I do like that. Oh yeah, a little reminder. Samsung Galaxy Note 2 Buddy Glove protecting case. Gerber, little skeletonized knife. I do like it. Think about getting his bigger brother. Alright, that's it. Thank you.